morning, Scots, and happy Friday. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Ja. Welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Let's dive into this week's announcements.
First, hey Scots, our second blood drive of the year is coming up on Friday, March 7th. If you're 16 or older, you're eligible to donate and make a difference. Stop by the activities office to pick up and return your permission slips. Every donation helps save a life.
Next, spot this flyer in your classroom. Take a moment to recognize a staff member for Plaid. Scan the QR code and show your appreciation so a staff member could get some Plaid points as well.
Hey Scott, stop scrolling on your phone.
Scan the QR code now to give a shout out to a staff member for showing Plaid. Finally, Scots, Highlands Drama Program is bringing Beetlejuice Jr. to the stage for the first time ever tonight at 7 p.m. in the WA.
Make sure to stop by with your friends or family members for a great show.
Plus, you could also stop by tomorrow at 2 p.m. or 7 p.m. for the show. Admission is $10 at the door for all ages.
And now it's time for a quick commercial break.
Check out this video.
Julian, hello, Arthur Julian, talking to you, bro, come on. Bro, you're always on your phone. Like, can we just talk about the political and economic state of the world?
Bro, give my phone back, bro.
No,
seriously.
take a walk with me, bro.
Come on, give my
You're
phone
not
back,
getting this.
bro. Come on. I love that.
So, are you glad I took your phone away?
To be honest, I really am. It made me realize a lot about life that I just don't need to be stuck on the screen all day.
I know, bro. It's a bad habit that you can adapt.
Thank you. Seriously.
Here's your phone back, bro.
Bro, to be honest, I don't even need that. I didn't see you over there. Remember guys, you guys do not always need your phone. There's more to live in life. Go hang out with your friends, go to the park, go do something productive outside. Because you being stuck on that phone all day, it's gonna do nothing good for you. Always remember to flat up.
Did you know the inventor of the Super Soaker was also a NASA engineer? Lonnie Johnson, a former Air Force and NASA engineer, created the top-selling water toy of all time. He's worked on spacecrafts for Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, and holds over 100 patents, and with more pending. Johnson also helped develop designs for Nerf blasters. Welcome back, Scots.
It's time for sports.
Let's dive into sports announcements for today. Congratulations to the boys and girls wrestling teams here at Highland.
We have some students who will be representing during the state tournament this weekend.
First, the boys team has Nick Hernandez and Daniel Benavidez. Go Scots.
Next, the girls team has Vanessa Alvarado, Brianna Alvarado, Stephanie Martinez, and Nayeli Nunez. Good job, girls.
Good luck to all the wrestling athletes during your tournaments. Remember, Scots, Highlands Drama Program is bringing Beetlejuice Jr. to the stage for the first time ever.
Don't miss out. The show starts at 7 p.m. at the WA. Bring a friend and enjoy the show.
That's all for today.
And always remember to
Plaid up.